Well guys, it's been a while since I posted a video, but I'll do a short little video here. I tried starting this truck up today because I need it to pull that trailer tomorrow, and I got to crank over a little bit and then it died on me. So the batteries are like 5.5 years old, so I figure that's what the problem is. At least that's what I'm praying it is. So we'll see here. And it's pretty cold. And as you can see, we got a lot of snow. Probably like 10 inches or a foot of snow. And it's pretty cold too. 9 degrees right now. Hey, there we go. Pop, pop.